Hello friends, welcome to Lawyer's Kingdom. How are you doing today? Today we are talking about Kurki. In India, the process of Kurki or the auction of a property to recover a debt is primarily governed by the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest (SARFAESI) Act, 2002. Here's an overview of the process, steps, sections, and potential relief options. Process of Kurki auction. Step 1. Default on loan. When a borrower defaults on a loan, the lender, secured creditor, initiates the process by issuing a notice demanding repayment of the outstanding amount within a specified period. Step 2. Issuance of possession notice. If the borrower fails to comply with the repayment demand, the lender can issue a possession notice under Section 13(2) of the SARFAESI Act. This notice states the intention to take possession of the secured asset, property, and provides a 60-day period for the borrower to repay the debt. Step 3. Public notice and valuation. If the borrower does not repay the debt within the specified period, the lender proceeds with the auction process. The lender publishes a public notice in newspapers and other relevant mediums, providing details of the property, auction date, reserve price, if any, and other relevant information. The lender also appoints a registered valuer to assess the fair market value of the property. Step 4. Auction of property. On the specified auction date, the property is publicly auctioned. It is awarded to the highest bidder who meets the reserve price, if set, or the highest offer received. The sale proceeds are then used to recover the outstanding debt. Sections relevant to Kurki. Section 13(2) of the SARFAESI Act, 2002, empowers the secured creditor to issue a possession notice and take possession of the secured asset. Section 13(4) of the SARFAESI Act, 2002, allows the secured creditor to sell or lease the property through public auction or private treaty. Potential relief options. Repayment. The borrower can repay the outstanding debt along with any additional costs, interest, or penalties before the auction date to prevent the sale of the property. Settlement. The borrower can negotiate a settlement agreement with the lender, wherein they agree on a revised repayment plan or reduced amount to resolve the debt. Legal remedies. If the borrower believes there are legal grounds to challenge the auction or the lender's actions, he can seek legal advice and explore remedies available under the SARFAESI Act or other relevant laws. Example. Preeti had taken a loan from a financial institution to purchase a house. Unfortunately, due to unforeseen circumstances, Preeti faced financial difficulties and was unable to repay the loan. As a result, the financial institution initiated the process of Kurki to recover the outstanding debt. Step 1. Default on loan. Preeti was unable to meet her loan repayment obligations and defaulted on the loan. Step 2. Issuance of possession notice. The financial institution, acting as the secured creditor, issued a possession notice to Preeti under Section 13(2) of the SARFAESI Act. This notice informed Preeti about the intention to take possession of the property that served as collateral for the loan. Preeti was given a 60-day period to repay the outstanding debt. Step 3. Public notice and valuation. Following the expiration of the 60-day period, the financial institution published a public notice in newspapers and other relevant mediums, announcing the auction of Preeti's property. A registered valuer was appointed to assess the fair market value of the property. Step 4. Auction of property. On the designated auction date, interested buyers participated in the auction process. The property was awarded to the highest bidder who either met the reserve price or made the highest offer. The sale proceeds were utilized to recover Preeti's outstanding debt. Preeti's failure to repay the loan and the subsequent auction of her property under the provisions of the Surface Act exemplify the process of Kurki. Please note that this is a fictional example created for illustrative purposes. The specific process, steps, and provisions may vary based on the particular circumstances, laws, and regulations applicable to each case. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel and stay updated.